Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how to copy a profile link on Facebook using your Android device. This updated method is quick and simple, making it easy to share profiles with friends or promote your own. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the profiles. Step 2. Navigate to the profile. Next, find the profile you want to copy the link for. This could be your own profile or that of a friend. You can search for the person or scroll through your friends list to find them. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're on the desired profile, look for the 3 horizontal dots next to the messenger icon. Tapping these dots will bring up a menu with different options. Step 4. Tap Copy Link at the bottom. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link. This will copy the profile URL to your clipboard, allowing you to share it anywhere you need. And that's it. You've successfully copied the profile link on Facebook, whether you want to share it in a chat, on social media, or through email. This method makes it easy to connect others with the profiles you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.